Stories in a moment, but we're following several breaking news stories. First, a chase ends in a deadly crash in northeast Houston near 610. Air 11 is over the scene along McCarty Street. We've learned the car went up in flames after hitting a pole, killing the suspect inside. Investigators say the chase began when Harris County deputies noticed the car was stolen. The suspect died at the scene. At this time, it's unclear where this chase started, but it ended in the city limits, so Houston police are also investigating.